Hello everyone and welcome to my nail art channel. Today I am teaching you spider web nails art design step by step guide. These creepy webs are the perfect addition to your favorite Halloween costumes. Step number 1 is start by painting your nails with a neon green nail polish. Let's talk to step number 2. Using a nail art brush and a black nail polish, draw several diagonal lines coming from the upper corner of your nails. Step number 3. Connect the diagonal lines together with curved line in between each line. This step will complete your spider web. Step number 4. Continue connecting the lines together until you have reached the end of the diagonal lines. Step number 5. Finally, apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Here's you go. Your beautiful spider web nail art design is ready to show off your friends. From creepy to cute, these spider web nails are scarily impressive and hopefully will give you some inspiration of your own. A unique twist with the spider stretching over two nails. Some amazing details on this one. Loving the metallic color scheme behind the spider webs. Almond nails with one little spider web on the ring finger. A great example of less being more sometimes. Step number 4. A little asymmetry here between the webs on each hand really give it that spider web touch. A cutter take on spider nails. I really like how the webs are different on each nail. Not only is the style of web stunning, but the golden spider is a real style piece. These cute Halloween theme stiletto nails feature cute little ghost rhinestones and you guessed some spider webs set against the black nail on each hand. I really like the color scheme of the spider web nail design. Each nail has an individual style but a great looking theme, especially with the finger ink. These spider web nails go boom in the night. The dripping from the tips really looks great. These red spider nails would make the list anyway, but the little beard of red on the spider really sets these ones apart. Such details really highlights the spider webs here. The blood from the cuticles really gives it that Halloween look. I absolutely love this white background with the detailed thin spider webs intertwined throughout the nail. Thank you very much for watching my today's video. If you like my video, please do subscribe and share my video with your friends and family members. If you have any query and question about this design, please comment me below in this video. I will give you answer. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye. Take care.